Vice President retired General CDG Njoenga successfully progressed from the first stage of cathedral formation to the second stage in his journey within the Catholic faith. This advancement marks his transition from initial instruction in the foundations of Catholic doctrine to a deeper period of spiritual preparation and learning. Sanamina mashoko otinda pa social media mwachiti awa macatholic akunyazogadzira VP Constantino Chiwenga kuti awa vachinyasokuita transition to power panguva ine tiona kuti panguva ine obva from the first stage achino acquire another second stage awa in faith. Not to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tere goto noitambira nyira chiti. In this new stage he is undertaking formation associated with the St. Joseph model of discipleship, which emphasizes humility, obedience, service, and steadfast commitment to God. This phase typically involves more structured study, guided reflection, and active participation in the life of the church as he continues discerning and strengthening his faith. His progression reflects both personal dedication and the formal processes of spiritual development within the Catholic tradition. Ndomasvika kubuda panguva ina rukumbira vanhu vakasiyana-siyana akabva nezuro vanhu vachidhiropa makoments akasiyana-siyana pamusoro peelevation yaVP Constantino Chiwenga. Panguva ine uchiwanikwa VP Constantino Chiwenga vachikura pakutenda, vanhu panguva ine vanoramba vachimuindosa sezvamuri kungoona kuti even mumapublic appearances VP Chiwenga is echoing a message yaVP Comrade Geza wamunoziva kuti aiwa he is calling for accountability panguva ino achidismissa zvakanaka. At the same time toona VP Constantino Chiwenga is joining also. Saibotisa mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Ndida kumenza kishema idunza mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.